Hola, ¿qué tal? So here we have our new arrivals from Aria. There's a special German couple living. I think they hate cats, and they said to the renter, we don't need more cats. So we got them. Yesterday Fury picked them up from Tinjacho Biovet. They are neutered. They got fleas and worm treatment. And now it's time to go out. Enjoy Dreamland for cats. And find new friends. Yes. Todo bien. Mira, ven aquí. Hola, Cari. Todo bien, sí. You are welcome. So, have a look. Oh, la la. Oh. And your brother is gone. Yeah. Come on, enjoy the sunshine. Todo bien. Sí. Sí, come on. Sí. Agua, no souvenirs for me. Oh, la la. Perfecto. You are welcome.